they provide running notes. So when the professor is discussing something, you have to keep on writing.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravina Sharma and I am from Rajasthan. First of all, I would like to say that I am from a very technical background. So there was no background of me in humanities and arts scopes. But yet, first of all, my dilemma was what option I should choose. Then I should give you advice that you should go by your interest, irrespective of that, what previous students are getting marks or not. So that's why, because of my interest in sociology and aspects, I opted this sociology as an optional subject. Now come to the next question: how I choose my institute. Then, first of all, you should prioritize your need first. If you should not just go by the mass culture of that ki this institute is delivering that much of notes and are very prestigious, then you should go. No, you should go by your heart and like that. If you want, what are your needs? If for my sake, my needs were like that, I want a one-to-one interaction, daily writing practice, and review system also is very good here, and the question answer sessions are also very best here. So all these things of the sir are very great in this institute, and coaching and guidance that the sir provide to us is also very good. So in my perspective, if you are looking for all these things, and so IS Gurukul is the best place to study. Thank you.
गुड आफ्टरनून फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम संजय सिंह पटेल है। मैं 2019 बैच में प्रणय अग्रवाल सर के यहाँ कोचिंग ले रहा हूँ। जब मैं पहली बार आया था यहाँ पर, तब मुझे बहुत अनकम्फर्टेबल महसूस हो रहा था, लेकिन फिर जब मैं सर से मिला, फिर मुझे लगा कि हाँ, कुछ हो सकता है मेरा। मैं एक्चुअली सर को एक टीचर की तरह नहीं, एक मेंटर की तरह ही देखता हूँ। बेसिकली सोशियोलॉजी में ऑप्शनल लेना चाहता था पिछले साल भी, लेकिन जब सर के बारे में सुना तब फिर मैं कॉन्फिडेंटली फिर सोशियोलॉजी लिया मैंने। पहले मुझे इतना अंदर से नहीं कॉन्फिडेंस हो रहा था कि मैं कर पाऊँ कुछ, लेकिन सर की टीचिंग से और उनके गाइडेंस से फिर मुझे लगा कि हाँ, मेरा भी कुछ हो सकता है।
Hello everyone, my name is Shambhu Raje Patil, and I have been a member of IAS Gurukul since the past 3 months. I have joined the sociology batch, afternoon batch, and my reviews regarding the class have been excellent. The main problem students face regarding sociology classes is that in many of the classes they provide running notes. So when the professor is discussing something, you have to keep on writing. So the basic problem that you face is of understanding and writing at the same time. So when you go back home, you have to do a dual effort of reading again and understanding it again. But in the most appreciative thing about this class is that sir explains all the concepts thoroughly, and then he gives some time to write them. Otherwise, if the concept is difficult and the students are unable to write it themselves, he also dictates that. Second thing is revision. Sir makes sure that revision, he takes it every day. 20 to 25 minutes before the class are reserved for revision, and helps every student to be continuous in the classes. Third, and the best part about this class is that it feels like a family. Having a short batch size of 30-35 students, sir knows everyone by their names, as well as each and every student knows each other, and that goes a long way in developing good officers. Thank you.